Casey Birmingham, Foundations Decor are pleased to present from Creativation in Phoenix, Arizona, click sticks. Now you're thinking, you're looking at this and you're going, I've seen likely items. We've seen that on Etsy, we've seen that, but let me show you something unique about click sticks and exactly why we call them click sticks. You can get them both in plain and with canvases, stocked right now at Scrapbook.com, but again, you're saying, Casey, what makes those so cool? Let me show you. We're gonna go to this one, Donald, if you can. Together we have it all. You can actually buy it that way with the canvas, but watch this. Maybe you want it to say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So I go like this. What's that? Why is it a click stick? It clicks together. They're magnetized. You can change your art. You don't even have to use our canvases. You can put 12 by 12 layouts in these 12-inch click sticks. They come in 12-inch, 9-inch, and 17-inch, both with canvases and individual as well. So if you wanted to do that, you'd just simply go, oh, I'll pick out a different canvas. This one goes over here. I'm not going to do it nice and organizedly because I want to show you that we could go over here and now it's changed. You can put any sort of mixed media arts, paper layouts, all sorts of different things can go hung on the wall. And what a lot of people are buying these for is because they take their yearly family photo and each year they don't want to have to buy a new frame or something and they want something that's easy to change out, so they'll display it that way. Just a few options. Why don't you go ahead and comment on how you want to use one.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.